We're a distillery in Almonte, Ontario that produces alcohol from a dairy byproduct. After they've taken the fats and proteins out of the milk, they're left with a beautiful sugar that's normally discarded, and we've taken that and turned it into vodka, which we call vodka. So we're very fortunate that the product has been extremely well received here in Ontario and in different provinces, so we had to scale production. And we were introduced to Kilmarnock as a resource to help us do that. So, we're a distillery, so there's quite a bit of piping work that needs to be done, including a bunch of sanitary stainless work, which we were very happy with the work that Kilmarnock did, which is high quality welding work. And also all the setup of the equipment. So if you go inside, you'll see we have 3 10,000 liter fermenters, which were shipped in from Italy. When they arrived, we didn't know, they came in a state that we were like, how are we ever going to get them out of the boxes? But luckily Kilmarnock has all the unloading equipment required to do that in their facilities in Smith Falls. So working with a group like Kilmarnock just allows the unexpected to be handled in a quick and efficient way. Well, it really comes down to the people, and so we're the foreman of the team. Stephen always kept us informed of what was going on, kept the schedule on track. Being local to us was very important, and would be definitely recommended to anyone starting a distillery, brewery, or anything like that. It's just a quality team that put forth quality work.